Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to install Python 3 on Windows. But don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell for more tutorials. Okay, let's do it. First thing first. Let's open up the Chrome and go to the python.org. Now in the Downloads tab, we are going to find the Python 3. There is so many versions of this Python 3. Depends on what OS are you using, Linux, Mac OS or Windows. In our case, we are using Windows, so we choose the first one. After download is finished, you run the file you have and you are going to see some windows like this. Now there is two options: use install now or customize installation. We are going to choose customize installation, and don't forget to check the add python 3 to path, because if you don't do that, later you're going to have some problem with it. We are keeping all the checkboxes here as default and go to the next step. Here you can choose the location for Python 3 to be installed. Usually we're making it in the C drive because your Windows installed there too. After that, we hit the install button and wait. Now installation successfully done, so we are going to check if Python 3 works well in our Windows. Hit the Windows button and search for the Python. As you can see, there is multiple version of Python 3 installed in my computer, so I'm gonna choose the latest one. It's going to open up this Windows for me that I can write the Python codes in it. As you can see, Python code runs well. Now we have Python 3 installed in our Windows. Thanks for watching.